Buyer activity on the Eastern Shore is off 3% from last year this same time, but contracts are actually up this week 12.8% year over year. It's Friday, August 14th, 2026. I am Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Eastern Shore report. Sellers on the Eastern Shore are getting 3.5% less of what they're asking, with the sold price adjusting downwards 24%. The Eastern Shore inventory dipped just slightly to 2,410 properties for sale at $410,000 median list price. This is 2% below last year this same time. This is confirming that the Eastern Shore is continuing to slow down with buyer activity, and the sales prices are slipping backwards. 129 properties sold in 35 days at 98.5% list to sold ratio for a median sold price of $360,000. This sold price is down 24% this week. There are 155 rental properties. The rental list price is holding at $2,100 per month, and these have been on the market for 35 days. 8 properties leased over the past week at $2,325 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, August 14th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.